Is 8,592,198 divisible by 3? Well, this is a divisibility rule, and we're going to use the divisibility rule by 3. What we do is we add up all the digits, and if that sum itself is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So this is not going to be pretty, but we're going to do it. 8 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8. All right, so let's make sure we do this carefully. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22, the Taylor Swift special. 22 plus 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. And 34 plus 8 is 42. Now, is 42 divisible by 3? Well, if you're not sure, do some long division. 3 goes into 42. Let me see. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down to 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, and you get a remainder of 0. So 42 divided by 3 is 14. So that answers the question, is 8,592,198 divisible by 3? Well, since I added these up, divided by 3, and got a whole number, the answer is yes.